Day 12. 12 days of Christmas. 12 days of Christmas. Hello, beautiful besties. Welcome back to the first day of Vlogmas. Actually, you guys, this is Vlogmas Unfiltered, okay? Because what does that even mean, straight? It means that there's no rhyme, there's no reason. I just decided when I was sitting on the couch about 6 hours ago, yeah, I'm supposed to be doing Vlogmas today. Do I have anything ready? No. Do I have a tree? No. Do I have my tree up? No. I have one. It's not up. It's not decorated. You guys, I'm all over the place, okay? This is real life. Life has been lifing. And I feel like a lot of times when we say life has been lifing, sometimes we take that or people can use it in a negative concept. That's not it at all. It's just been busy. Oh God, I feel like I have so much to talk to you guys about. I don't even know where to start. Anyways, it started right around Halloween. It's just been going crazy and very, very busy ever since then. So all I can say is that I will see you for the next 12 days, God willing, and we're gonna have a great time. It just is what it is. I had my coffee earlier this morning. I had 2 cups. I'm gonna have an afternoon coffee. My scent of the day, Forever Mood, I Am Her, and I mixed it with Hey Bouquet. I have been spraying this combo together like crazy. It is so super, super good. I don't know why I walked over to, I hope I'm not yelling, but I have the mic right under me. But I went in, I was going to visit my dad one day and I was taking donuts. And so I wore this combo, right? Normally I put my body oil, because of people be asking, like out of the shower, it's body cream, body oil, or body oil, body cream. I don't care which one you do. Put some body cream and body oil on, or one of the two, okay? And then I go in normally with the body spray, and I put this all over my body, and then I go in with the fragrance, and then I hit it again before I got out the door and sandwich it all together. But anyhow, I went into the place to pick up donuts, and this woman was like, "Are you wearing Dior?" And I'm like, "No, I'm wearing Forever Mood. I Am Her." Get the name right, girl. And she was like, "Oh my gosh, it smells like Dior, the eau de parfum," or one of them that she was saying. She goes, "It's really good." And I said, "Well, this is half the price. So if you're thinking that, you should pick it up." So I wrote it down for her, told her about it. Also let her know that Sephora was having the fragrance for all event that was gonna be coming up, where all the bottles were, full-size bottles would be 20% off. Don't worry, I got a video coming because I got y'all covered. So yeah, I told her she should pick this up. Really, really good combo. I'm having a very bad hair day. I have been having a bad hair day for the past 4 days. I just got back from Florida and I wore this hat all through the trip because my hair is greasy. I need to have it done, you guys. I don't have it done because I don't enjoy any of the things that people normally enjoy. Going to get a manicure, pedicure, I hate it. I only do it because I like the outcome and I like to keep myself up and keep it together, but I don't enjoy it. You know how some people are like, "Oh my God, I'm going to get a mani-pedi, I'm gonna sit, I'm gonna relax." I have to force myself to sit and relax. I know it's not a good thing, but I like to be doing 50, 100, 11 things all at once. Sitting down, relaxing is not my vibe. I love to clean. I just love to be doing 30,000 things at one time. That's who I am, that's who she is. So I need my hair done, but I don't really wanna go get it done. I need everything. I need the whole shebang. I need color, I need trim, I need style, I need the whole thing. I don't wanna go get it done. And then when I do get it done, it's like I can't really work out because I don't want my hair to sweat, and then I'm really not ready to go back to the curly hair yet. Y'all getting all the tea. Okay, I'm spilling everything that has been going on up here. I'm spilling all the tea. So that's where I'm at with my hair. I'm probably gonna make an appointment and go get it done because I have some things coming up and I need to have my hair done. So don't get too close, not too close on it and not too much on it, not too much. This sweater is from, what is it called? Favorite Daughters. Oh my God, it's so comfy and so cozy. I absolutely love it. Oh, we have an advent calendar. We have an advent calendar from Revolve Beauty. I have been unboxing the advent calendar from La Soutane. Shout out to La Soutane for sending that over on Instagram, and it's been great. I did think I missed day 11, but don't worry, I'm gonna make up for it. So I thought we unbox this now. Every day is gonna be different. I'm not gonna even say what I'm going to do. Just make sure your post notification bells are turned on because videos will just be coming out at random. You guys, that's what I do. That's who I am. I'm not really the girl that's gonna be planning everything because that's just not my real life, but I'm gonna show up. So make sure you keep your post notification bells turned on. I might come out at 6, it might be at 5, it might be at 10. It's coming, okay? And then I'm going to keep the other content coming in between that as well. I'm not putting my hair in a pony so I can take my ponytail holders off. So let's unbox this advent calendar. The videos aren't gonna be long unless y'all tell me y'all want longer videos. But what I'm going to try and do, because if I don't have some form of, wait, hold on, let me back y'all up. If I don't give some form of what I'm going to do, I will be all over the place. That's just how I am. I am most creative when I am free and I'm my real life. Oh God, I have so much to say. And then another thing is going on right now is that it just seems like everything is so performative right now, and I'm not a performer. Like, I love to act, just, you know, because I love acting. I tried to act as a child growing up because I just love it, but I'm not a performer. Like, I really want to share with you real life experiences, real things that I'm going through, real things that I'm loving, real things that I'm excited about. I can't put on. You know how that song goes, I put on. Okay, I don't know if y'all know that song, but anyways, I can't put on. I'm not a put on girl. I'm just me. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. But doing Vlogmas makes me so happy. So I was not gonna do it because I was like, I don't have a tree. Y'all know normally I have little lights up and stuff like that, and I'm ready. I'm not there. I'm not there. And I don't know if I will be. I mean, maybe it will come. It hasn't come yet. We're already on December 12th, girl. My guy is like, come on, let's put the tree up. I'm like, I don't feel like it. Can I be honest? Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. I'm like, I don't feel like it. And then I'm always the person that goes Christmas shopping on Christmas Eve because then I decide like, oh my God, it's the holiday season. I should get involved. You know, I should show up. So I'll probably show up on the 18th, maybe. I don't know. But let's unbox this advent calendar. I love y'all like I love cook food. Rock with me. Make sure your notification bells are turned on. And let's see, can I sit down? Oh, I'm gonna need to drop y'all down because this ain't gonna work. Hold up. Is this better? Okay, fine. This is better. Okay, let's do day one. Can y'all see it? I'm gonna go fast too. Oh, this is so cute. Can somebody else chime in and help out too? Let me know how you guys are feeling. It's not I'm being Scrooge or Bahamba. What is the word called for the Scrooge and the Bahamba? I don't know, whatever it's called. I'm not being that. You guys, I'm just not there. I'm trying to keep up with what I'm doing. Every day there's a new fragrance coming out. Every day there's something new. There's another event. There's another party. There's another something. And I just be like, I can't. I can't do it. I have thoroughly been enjoying hanging out on my couch and just absolutely doing nothing. I just finished, what did I just finish? Oh my gosh, we started another, I forgot the name of it. We started another show and we just finished it. I binged watched it. It was so good. Don't worry, I'm gonna remember the name and I'll share it with y'all. But let's unbox number one. Okay, number one, what's inside of it? Hey, in here. What is this? Illuminator. Oh, it's from Iconic London and it's Illuminator. Oh, this looks like some type of glitter that I would like. So this is what this looks like. It is Illuminator and it looks like you are supposed to do a drop. Oh. See, all I need is one more thing to be shining, and that is it. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, it's very lightweight. I don't know how this is gonna look against my skin. I don't know. Can you guys see it right there? That's what this is. So this is Illuminator. Day two. Oh my gosh. Oh, glow drops. Okay, so these are by Dr. Stern. Day two, glow drops. I don't have the patience for this. I don't think I have the patience for this. Okay, what is this? Oh, I love these. These are from Slip and these are the ponytail holders. I love these because they are pure, they're silk, they're scrunchies, and they are very fine so they don't pull the hair out. And sometimes when you want to make just like a cute pony, you already see I had these all over my sweater already because I'm quick to snatch the hair up in a ponytails. So this was day three. Day four. Oh, I had this and this is so good. This is by Bare Minerals and this is a blush bronzer. It's very creamy. This is really good. I have the big one and I have it packed right now inside of my travel case for my makeup, but I am going to switch it out and put that one back in the other room and I'm gonna put this in the travel case. This is called Kiss of Mauve. This is the color that it is, you guys. This is so good. This acts like a bronzer as well as a blush. It's super good and it's by Bare Minerals. If you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend it. Day five is feeling kind of heavy. Heavy on it. It's feeling kind of heavy. Oh my God, this is making me happy. Okay, maybe I needed to unbox some things. Oh, okay, I'm kind of getting happy. I'm kind of getting happy. I mean, not like happy, you know what I mean? But I'm kind of getting like in the spirit. It'd be a lot of work to pull all the stuff out of the garage, the Christmas tree, all the ornaments, the decoration. And then another thing, you guys, is that like I really wanted to change my color of my Christmas tree to, you know, the color that's going around like that wine, burgundy, kind of Bordeaux, whatever. One of those colors, like the wine color. I really did want to go that route, but I missed it. Fast acting digestive support system. Oh, these are capsules. Well, I don't know about this. I have to read upon it before I take it. Do y'all do that too? I don't just be taking stuff. I have to read and do some research about it, but these are capsules. This is it here. So I might try these. If I do and I absolutely love them, I'll be back to share, but this is a brand. Day six. Let's see what day six is. Oh, a lip pencil. And what color? In the color Naughty. Hello. It's a lip pencil and it's in the color Naughty and it is from Ari Perez, I believe. Let's see the color. Ooh, it looks like a really pretty color. It's in the color Naughty. Let's see what that's giving. Oh, it's very nice. This is a color. Didn't even really show up, but that's it there. Number 7. Oh, Belief Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. Oh, you know I'm always interested in things that goes under your eye. Let's see, visibly reduces the appearance of dark circles and eye bags. I definitely need that. I sleep 0 to none. This is it here. I definitely can use this. I am the girl who gets 4 or 5 hours of sleep. Oh, did I tell you guys I got an Oura ring? This is it here. And it tracks your sleep. It does everything, child. This is like, this ring will tell you it's time for you to stand up. Like, what are you doing? Like, it's time for you to start preparing for bed. Like, if you want to have a good restless day tomorrow or restful day tomorrow, you need to go to bed now. Like, you're not going to bed in a timely manner and you're not functioning at your best capability. Like, what are you doing? I swear, like, not in that type of language, but that's what this ring be telling me. It's the best thing I could have ever got. My guy was like, you need this ring. I'm like, because I don't sleep. I told you guys, I'm not a big sleep person. Okay, day 8. It's the stay in focus part for me. Day 8 is, Kosa. Is this a, wait. Oh, it's an eye mascara. Okay, because I was saying, I'm a huge fan of their eyebrow thing, you know, put it on the eyebrow, but this is something different. So I believe this is a mascara, day 8. Oh, is that day 9? No, that was day 8. Where's day 9? Did I open, was that day 9? No, that was day 6. Where's day, is this day 9? Day 9. What is this? Mirror Rinse, glass hair treatment. So I don't know what this is, a mirror rinse. I'll have to, it's like a glass hair treatment. First we had glass skin, now we're doing glass hair. I did see one of the girls do the glass hair challenge, so I don't know. This is it here, day 9, day 10. Let's see what day 10 is. Oh, Summer Friday. Oh, I hope it's not a lip gloss because I told you I wasn't really a big fan of the Summer Friday lip gloss. Like, it's cute, but I think it makes my lips like very sticky. Hold on a second. Who's calling me? I think it makes my lips very sticky. Oh, I dropped a video. I did a, I'm sorry, I'm yelling, y'all. I did a video with Victor and Rolf with L'Oreal for Flower Bomb, the original one. I was super excited about that. It's on Shorts and it's on Instagram. It's everywhere because I posted it everywhere. But if you can go like it, love it, comment it, that would be extremely helpful. I appreciate you so much and love you forever. This is a Dream Lip Oil by Summer Fridays. I'm gonna try this now so we can see what it's giving. This is it here, Summer Fridays, Dream Lip Oil. We do have to go and get my nails done. I think I'm losing sunlight too. Am I? Yeah, it's getting dark. Okay. Anyways, I have to get my nails done and I don't want to get them done the same nude pink color that I always get. I kind of want to get something like white or like a pearl essence, like an iridescent, but I don't know, because sometimes that could be looking a little, you know, I don't know how this is gonna look. Oh. Did I just make a mess? Oh, that's gonna, that's a pretty color. Oh, it's like a nudie pink color. It's okay. I don't know if I like that. Can you see that? Probably not. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I like that. That color might be making me look a little different. Hold on a second. I don't know if I like that. Not too much on it, not too much. Okay, and then now we're on day 11. Oh, all this stuff, like I've tried this stuff before, or either I've wanted to try it before. So this is good. This is a glow exfoliator, and this is by Goop Beauty. Somebody was asking me one time, because I did a skincare video, and they were like, how do you try all this stuff at one time? I never do. I spaced it out. I have like about 5 or 6 products that I use all the time, or brands, I should say, that I use all the time. But anytime I'm integrating something new, I'll try it in a spot treatment first, and then I'll try it all over and try it for like, I would probably say about 4 weeks and see if it's given anything. There's this one product that I'm trying right now, you guys, I promise you, I've been trying it for almost a month. Half the bottle is gone and I am seeing nothing, absolutely nothing. But all the girlies on TikTok are like, oh my God, it's life-changing, it did this, it did that. And I'm like, I'm wanting to be that girl, but I don't want to be that girl. But I'm wanting to be that girl that be like, somebody's lying, because I've been using it for a month almost faithfully. The bottle is halfway gone and it's not doing none of the things y'all said it was gonna do. But see, that's what brings me back to just like fragrance. It's subjective, so perhaps it is performing for all of their skin amazingly and giving them all the things that it claims. For me, it ain't doing that. It ain't doing none of that. That's okay, that's okay. I'm almost done and I'm always gonna keep it honest. For me, I ain't getting none of that y'all were talking about. I didn't get any of that. Okay, we're at the last one. Trey, please stop talking and just move on. Day 12. 12 days of Christmas. 12 days of Christmas. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, I love these. Okay, this is by Benefit and it's a lip tint. You guys can't tell, but I have it on right now. I put it on basically anytime I'm filming or going out or doing anything because it's a lip tint. You put it on your lips, it's going to stain your lip. And I always put a gloss over it and a lip liner, the whole thing, right? But if you're drinking, eating, or doing whatever, what have you, it doesn't come off. You know what I mean? So I love this. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is, oh, I don't have this color. This is raspberry. The one I have is cherry. This is raspberry, so this might be a little bit pinker. I like a pinky nudie blush, and I don't like a cold pink. I like very much of a warmer type of pink. I don't like the ashy look. Like, looks like you've been on powdered donuts. Like, I'm not for that. I don't like that. I don't like it. Okay, so, but this one I do. Benefit, right? Or am I making that up? Yeah, Benefit, because you know over here. And this is in the shade Raspberry. Oh, I'm excited. I really like this. I like this one. This is so good. Oh, yeah. So see, this is what it looks like. And then typically you'll just put it on. Let me see if I can put it on my hand and if I can show you guys. Oh, I don't have this. Oh, this is dark. Oh no, I don't have this color. So see, it's like a stain. Oh, this is giving very much wine berry, like the color I want at my Christmas tree. And I haven't even gotten any decorations. They keep telling me to go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby or something like that. See, that's the color. And so it is stain your lips that color. I put 2 coats on, okay, as if you were doing nail polish, and then it will stain. You see, it's kind of liquidy, so you want to put it on, but it stains and then it just stays like that. Oh, that is pretty. Ooh. So see, and then that's what it's giving. That's what the other one was giving, but that's what that one's giving. Super cute. So yeah, that was from Revolve. That was 12 Days of Christmas, and that is it. Like I said, you guys, that's what's up. I really am gonna go and try and get, how long is this video? Because you know I don't like long videos. Oh, it's already at 23 minutes. I gotta cut this way down. Anyways, I don't like long videos, but it'll be longer. They'll be longer, but I just wanted to break open 12 Days of Christmas. This is Vlogmas Unfiltered, and I wanna have so much fun, so we'll do some get ready, some date nights, we'll go some places, we'll do some things. We're gonna hang out in, out of the house, in the streets, out of the streets. We're gonna be outside, we're gonna be inside. Okay, I have to go because this is not okay. I love you like I love cook food. Leave down in the comment section below some things that you would want to see during this Vlogmas. Also, don't forget to drop me your scent of the day. Everything that I share, like as far as my fragrance of the day, the lip oil that I'm wearing, everything like that, I'll link it in the description box. Anything that I didn't mention and you want to know what it is, just let me know. This hat, hello, bad hair day, I got it at Walmart. You guys, I got it at Walmart. I believe it was like $10, maybe $8. I don't know, but it's super cute and I love it. I wore it all in Florida and I received so many compliments on it from men and women. And they were all like, your hair's not bad. I'm like, that's because you can't see the top. Don't get too close, don't get too close. Okay, I gotta go. I love you like I love cooked food, and I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, come back and see me tomorrow, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.